Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm putting together a flat garden bouquet that cascades over either side of the arm. So I like this bouquet because it uses minimal amounts of flowers. So why not go with the most expensive flowers, which are orchids and roses. So although these are silk, it would translate just well in fresh flowers as well too. It'd still be very pretty and very easy to design. So I started off with some Oncidium orchids in yellow. So they're so bright, I want to kind of keep them to the outside. Let my roses and I have some larger orchids be more of the focal point. And I create that crescent shape on either side of my hands there, just having a loose grip on the stems. And then I'm going to work in the roses, trying to keep more in line with that, with the orchids there too. By placing the roses at different levels, it makes it look as if it's growing in a garden, if that makes sense. So it kind of looks fresh picked right from the garden. Just a very soft look and feel to it. Since the stems are round, they do spin in my hand, and they will probably spin in yours too. So to kind of anchor them, I have some artificial baby's breath that I'm going to sit real low in there. I don't want it to distract from the roses or the orchids too. And if you go with the silk flowers, I have these larger orchids that are almost made out of kind of like a rubbery material. And I love these because you can see the movement on them is awesome. So it looks real, gives that, that natural look to the bouquet, to where you have your guest guessing, you know, is that real or artificial? So even if you did use fresh flowers, fresh roses, consider using the orchids in artificial, because they are so realistic looking. They're going to last a lot longer for you too. And then I'm just filling in a little bit of greenery, some spiral eucalyptus to kind of give it that flare on either side. I have some other kind of minty colored greenery. Again, artificial stems that I'm just going to work along the base there to kind of hide my mechanics. I don't really want to draw attention to that, just more of a, well, basically to hide my mechanics. And I'm going to tie it off really tight with a chenille stem. That gives a good grip on it. I will cover that with a wax floral tape and trim up the handle too. But it was quick and easy, inexpensive, a garden bouquet that you can make at home. All right, thank you so much for watching.